What's up guys, and welcome back to the video. Today we got something pretty sick. So I've already unboxed it just to check out the contents of the package. These are the diffuser fins for the MK7 Golf R from LegitSpeed Designs. Big thank you to Hwang from LegitSpeed for getting these out to me. I'll go ahead and leave a link to his Instagram and his website if you guys want to check out more of his products that he has for the MK7s and Mark 7.5s. So I believe these are the protective strips that go onto the back of the diffuser so you don't scratch it during install. And then he includes some decals as well. These are the instructions right here. Just 2 pages of instructions. Fairly straightforward, but we'll see how this goes. And then here's the stuff. I really like the way how this is all packaged together. Separate, it's labeled as well, so the user distinctly knows what's what. And they're packaged really nice too, to make sure that there's no damage. Really good part on that. So these are the outer fins, the inner fins, and I guess these are the mounting screws for it. So the first step is asking us to use these stickers to apply to the OEM diffuser just to protect against scratches over time, as dirt or debris may get lodged in between the diffuser and the fins itself. What we're gonna do first is make sure that we wipe down this area that we're working with. Give us a good wipe. And there was another user that also hit me up that had installed this, and he sent me his video. Shout out to It's Pronounced Vaga. What I'm probably gonna do is I'll try to follow Hwang's instructions first and see how that goes. I did watch their video yesterday though, so I have a little bit of an understanding of what to do, but I'm gonna try to follow these instructions to the best of my ability, and if I get stuck somewhere, then we'll go ahead and reference back to that video. But let's go ahead and wipe this all down. So we cleaned that, and it's asking us to clean the back side of it too. And in the instructions, it says that these stickers for the outer fins will just line up along with this OEM fin already. Jesus fuck, that guy sneezed loud. It scared the hell out of me. So we'll go ahead and get those guys lined up first. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get these on. I'll see if I can go lower for a better angle for you guys. Oh, the car is not jacked up, so this will be weird. Maybe I'll lay down on the side. So let's take the sticker and peel her back. So that first sticker is on. What's up you guys? As you can tell, it's a new day. The diffuser is on. The last time we were recording the diffuser install, the SD card inside of the GoPro took a crap and it went bad. I lost all of that footage. So today we're gonna take this off and reinstall it. So let's get to it. I really want to show you guys how to get these on and how simple it is and how pretty damn good quality these are. I really like this. So let's go ahead and take this off. All right, now that the diffuser is off, I'm going to show you guys how it all lines up and how we're gonna, I guess, reinstall it now, right? But you'll have your 4 pieces here. They're labeled left and right for the left and right fins, and then the inner ones for the inner fins right there. You have your fin pieces right there and the mounting hardware for it. But that's enough talking. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. I have the GoPro in super view, so hopefully there's a wider field of view so you guys can see exactly what's going on. I believe where we stopped in the last video was putting these on, right? See where they go? Yep, right here. It's hard to tell, but there's vinyl stripes all across the OEM diffuser. Obviously one goes on this OEM fin right here, the other one right here, and then these guys should be about, I believe it's 6 1/4 inches apart. Same thing for these as well. I kind of messed up on the mounting, to be honest. If you can tell, the tape is a little bit off. You know, it's not too much to bug me, but it's just a tad bit off. So like I was saying earlier, these pieces are individually labeled. This one's the left side, which means that it goes onto this left fin right here. Since this is the mounting piece for the back, this just slips into here. Nice. And you'll see that it sits pretty snug in the back there. And when it does sit like that, then you can take this fin right here and we'll grab the mounting hardware and then make sure it's all aligned. All right, looks pretty good to me. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the screws now. And now when you're screwing these in, you wanna go pretty slow, I would say, just to make sure that number 1, there's a even seal between this and this right here. And number 2, just to make sure that it is aligned correctly. These ones don't matter as much as the ones on the inside. The ones on the inside is a bit harder, but you could grab a ruler or a tape measure and, you know, just measure it out and be done with it. But let's go ahead and screw this one in. Now before tightening it all the way, make sure that it is in the correct position that you want it to sit in. And this is lined up with my OEM diffuser. So I think this is a pretty nice snug fit. So now we'll go ahead and tighten this down. So it looks like it does need to be scooched over just a little bit to the left. So all we have to do is, sorry diffuser, loosen this up a little bit. and slide it over. All right, now we're gonna tighten this. 1 and 2. First fin is on, guys. There we are. We're gonna install the other side. You're gonna grab your piece that says right. Same thing, just like the left side. Pop this into the back right here. You can tell that there's a little foam piece right here to help with the cushioning as well, which is really cool. Looking good. Both the outer fins are on. Now we can work our way into the middle. So we're gonna fit the inner fins now. It's just gonna be the same thing as these outer ones, just with a different design. You're still gonna have that clamp style bracket thing. So you can see where I had the other vinyl laid out. We're gonna take this, pop her back here, and kind of align it with that. So I know this one was a little bit off, and we'll start measuring. So it's gonna be the inner diameter of the fins is what you're gonna wanna measure. So starting from here, looks like you gotta slide this back a bit. 6 1/4, so we'll go ahead and tighten down. That third one is on. And now last one, folks. Same thing like the other one. Slip this behind, make sure it sort of lines up. And there you have it, folks. That is how you install the LegitSpeed design diffuser for the Mark 7 Golf R. Beautiful piece. And why I went with this over, say, the Maxim or the Flow design is that the Maxim and the Flow design, I'll probably put a picture up here, but it's just way too aggressive for this car in my opinion. And this is just a Volkswagen, you know, need something subtle, not something outrageous. But yeah, that is looking good, guys. Really simple install, as you guys can tell. He does include all the instructions, very straightforward. And yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this for your car or checking out his website, I'll leave a link in the description below. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did, because I really like how this diffuser looks on this car. Make sure you guys like and comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.